I just brought home an Apple bag, and it can only mean one thing. This is the brand new M2 MacBook Air in the nice midnight colorway. So let's unbox it. Satisfying unboxing that Apple always has. Nice. So first we have the MacBook itself, staying nice and present. It's nice paper wrapping, which is so satisfying, by the way. I don't know how they do it. Okay, so we have designed by Apple in California. You have your MacBook Air paper. You have your other paperwork, like legal stuff. And then, wait, I see stickers. 2 Apple stickers and a glorious midnight color, just the MacBook. This is very, very nice. Thank you, Apple. Like, first of all, that unboxing experience was one of the most satisfying I've ever had, because this is my very first MacBook. One of the most satisfying Apple products I've unboxed, besides the Apple Watch, and the iPhone. Sorry about the camera shake, guys. So, we have right here, we have a power adapter. This is a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Then we have our cable. This beautiful cable. This is a 2-meter long cable. It's really long. I don't know how much we fit in the frame. It's about as big as it is. We have the MagSafe 3 cable. Other side, nice and smooth. Very, very nice. So, we are now at the point what we've all been waiting for. Now, as if we were gonna take it out of the box. Charging cable here too. I'm gonna lift it up. Strong paper, actually. I'm gonna lift it up. Pull it upside down. Oh. Pull the top. Unfold the sides. There it is. It's like a perfectly wrapped Christmas present. Now, I think we should plug in the MacBook first. So, you're gonna plug in the power adapter. You guys ready for the first plug-in? You have the MagSafe 3, and let's see how it plugs in. Wow. You just have to open it up. Oh my goodness. Chills every single time I hear that.